So let me do some comments please about that song Amazing Grace. First of all, this song is in key of G major, which means you can practice G major scale, so you will know where to put your fingers exactly on the finger bow. You can watch the video how to play in key of G major on my YouTube channel. Also, you have in this video ties and slurs. What's the difference? Tie connects the same pitch of the note. Slur connects two different pitches. So, and from that point, we have another point. So, how to switch between the strings smoothly with a slur. I also have the video about that. So, in this piece, we need to put first finger for B on A string, third finger for G on D string, and we will play on the two different strings, two different notes. So we have to leave our fingers on the strings. Don't remove your fingers when you play that slur. And or actually, what's interesting here else, when you play that slur, B, G, and then you go back on the B, so it's more interesting for you. Don't touch please with your fingers other strings. It will help you to connect two strings smoothly. And the last thing what I would like to mention, so if you noticed, first two beats of each bar, the time signature is 3/4, so it means each bar is 3 beats. So and first part of the bar, I would say first 2 beats we will play for one side in one direction of the bow, and only the last beat usually is up bow. Let me show you. We play 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So which means when you play long note down bow, make sure that the speed of your bow is not so fast, because if you will play for the whole bow 2 beats, it would be quite tricky then to go back for the only for 1 beat. I mean that. It's quite hard, to be honest, to go back. So if your speed for the 2 beats would be speed of the bow would be a little bit slower, it would be easier then to play up bow. Let's say that you need to play first 2 beats of the bar from the beginning of the bow, let's say till the middle of the bow, and then the last beat just up for the half of the bow. It would be easier for you then to play, because if you always will play on the long bow, first 2 beats of the bar, you will be closer and closer, closer and closer to the tip of the bow, and then you will not have opportunity even to play the longer note. So I hope that you will enjoy playing that song with me, and I wish you good luck. See you! If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.